What if you could cut your meeting times in half, reach consensus in minutes instead of months, and give your entire team the tools to solve problems without everything landing on your desk? I'm Dr. Dave Webb, and after 12 years as a superintendent of schools, years of board leadership and city strategic planning, I've managed over 1,000 conflicts. I've navigated high-stakes decisions, and I discovered something unique. Most leaders aren't struggling because they lack good ideas. They're actually struggling because they skip critical steps in the decision-making process. I call it skipping bases. It leads to expensive mistakes, endless circular discussions, and decisions that fall apart under pressure. That's why I created the IROD Facilitation Suite, 3 specialized apps built on 25 years of science-backed research. IROD stands for Information, Reactions, Options, Decision. It's a proven 4-step framework that ensures that you and your team never skip a base again. Whether you're a superintendent, a city administrator, business executive, or nonprofit leader, if you're managing high-stakes decisions with multiple stakeholders, this is the system for you. Let me show you how it works. The Home Run Innovation app works great for team innovation and system improvement when you need fresh ideas, evaluation and feedback to assess what's working and what's not, strategic visioning to align your organization on future direction, and large-scale stakeholder engagement. You can capture input from over 200 people. So let me show you a real example. Let's say we're doing an organizational assessment. I log in as the host, set the key phrase, what part of our organization is working well? And then I can generate a room code. Team members join and submit their ideas in real time. Notice how everyone's voice is captured and elevated. Positive teamwork, strong collaboration, clear mission. No one person is dominating the meeting. Our AI feature instantly summarizes all the responses into key themes. This would normally take hours manually. Now we flip the question, what's not working as well as it could be? Communication gaps, unclear priorities. The real issues surface quickly because it's anonymous and structured. Finally, we brainstorm solutions together. Then here's the magic. Live priority voting. 5 stars is high, 1 star is low. Watch as consensus emerges in real time. The team itself selects the top priorities. And then we come to a final agreement supporting next steps. There's no backroom decisions, no endless debate. The entire process produces a downloadable PDF report with all the crowdsourced responses from the team. All the themes, prioritize action steps, everything's in the PDF. What used to take weeks of surveys and meetings now happens in a single session. The problem-solving app is perfect for solving problems at every team meeting, departmental problem solving, navigating controversial board or council decisions, and situations where clarity and speed matter, like who doesn't want to cut meeting time? Here's a tough one, reducing our budget by 5%. I create the room, and team members log in to join the room with the code. First base, do we have all the information? The team identifies gaps, need up-to-date projections, missing data from departments, haven't explored savings options. This prevents us from rushing to solutions before we have all the facts. This is honestly where most decisions go wrong. People skip gathering all the facts all the time. Second base, do we have everyone's reactions? Concerns about service impacts, worries about staff reductions. We're capturing emotional responses and legitimate concerns that need to be addressed. Skipping this base, and we skip it all the time, creates resistance later from the team. Third base, can we brainstorm all the options? The team brainstorms solutions, freeze non-essential spending, delay purchases, streamline processes. Then we star rank priorities. 5 stars means high support. 1 star means low. Watch the consensus emerge. Most leaders struggle at third base because they don't follow the leadership science by listing all the options and vetting those options to find the top team priority. Final base. Can you support this decision? We confirm consensus. Everyone sees the same recommendations simultaneously. No surprises, no hidden agendas. Complete transparency, full documentation, and a decision that sticks because everyone touched all 4 bases. The Conflict Resolution app excels at resolving differences between leaders when perspectives clash on important decisions. Better decision-making on tough challenges where emotions run high. Strengthening communication and trust between colleagues or partners. And reducing stress and anxiety by providing structure to difficult conversations. Here's a common workplace conflict. A senior leader wants to accelerate a major project launch timeline, but the department head feels the team is not ready. Both have valid concerns, but they're at an impasse. Let's see how IROD helps them find common ground. Both leaders log in privately and share their perspectives on the timeline. Notice both perspectives are heard equally. No interrupting, no talking over each other. Now here's where the breakthroughs happen. Each leader reacts to what they heard from each other. This is the critical moment. They're acknowledging each other's legitimate concerns rather than defending their positions. That's when real problem solving can begin. Now they brainstorm options together, not arguing positions, but generating possibilities. See how the conversation shifted from my way versus your way to what is our way forward together. Now they each star the options that they can genuinely support. Watch what happens next. The overlap reveals common ground. Both starred launch phase 1 now and phase 2 next quarter, and pilot with one department first. The app shows them what they both agree on. They confirm that they can both support this path forward and then share closing thoughts. The conflict is resolved. A plan is created. The relationship is strengthened, and they have a clear path forward together. All of this is documented in the summary PDF they can share with their teams if they so choose. What could have become a damaging power struggle or a win-lose situation now becomes a collaborative solution. This same process works for union negotiations, board disputes, executive team conflicts, partnership disagreements, anywhere 2 parties need to move from opposition to alignment. The structure does the heavy lifting, so emotions don't derail the outcome. So that's the IROD Facilitation Suite. 3 specialized apps, 1 proven framework. So whether you're innovating, problem solving, or resolving conflicts, you have to guide your team through information, reactions, options, and decisions. You want to ensure that you never skip a base and always reach better outcomes. The results? Meeting times cut in half, decisions that finally stick, problems that stop escalating to your desk, and most importantly, teams that trust the process because every voice is heard and elevated. I call that a home run. Ready to experience it yourself? You can start using the IROD suite in your next leadership team meeting with our Leadership Essentials package. Full access to all 3 apps for 1 year, plus 12 months of group coaching sessions with me. Visit the homerunleadership.com site to start your free trial, or click the link below to try a sample session right now. Want more hands-on support? We also offer facilitated strategic planning, where I'll guide your team through building your annual strategic plan or long-term organizational vision and train your leaders to use these tools independently. Schedule a consultation at the link below, and let's talk about what your organization needs most. Thanks for watching today. I look forward to helping you and your team hit even more home runs. And always remember, if you want to go great places, keep running the bases. Thanks, everyone.